Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to secant of s squared dx. This one we change for u, and we have u squared. This one we change for u. Secant of s squared dx we change for du. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to 1 minus u squared. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 2u du. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change for t. U du we change for dt over negative number 2. The integration of this one, we will have ln of the absolute value of t, and we put about c. About t, that's about 1 minus u squared. About u, that's about tan x. And this is the answer for the question. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s e to the power of s. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have e to the power of s plus s e to the power of s. This one in here, that's about e to the power of s plus se to the power of s. So this one in here, we change for u. On numerator, we change for du. The integration of this one, we have tan u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.